I'm going to ride a little bit and tell you how I got started riding a motorcycle. It wasn't like some people where they've been riding dirt bikes their whole life or anything like that. When I decided I wanted to ride a motorcycle, I had never been on one, never sat on one, period, never. So when I went to the course, it was all brand new to me. And when I finally made up my mind that I was going to ride a bike, it was on a Wednesday night. I called the local Ride Safe class. They booked me for that next weekend. And that was it. I went to the class the next Saturday and Sunday. Brand new. Everything was brand new to me. I did pretty good. Wasn't great, wasn't terrible, but I did pretty good. I got the endorsements on my motorcycle license through that class. But never being on a motorcycle before that, even after the class, I wasn't ready to get on the road yet. And I didn't want to lose what knowledge I had gained on the class. About a week after I got my motorcycle endorsements, I bought my first motorcycle. And what I did was, instead of getting right on the road, which I knew I wasn't ready for, I took my new motorcycle on the side roads and rode around. Got comfortable with it. I probably did that for a solid month. I probably did that for a month before I actually got on the road. It's different for everybody. So a lot of people have been on bikes maybe their whole life, or they're used to bikes. You know, riding on the road's nothing new to them. But for me, it was brand new. So from the time I decided that I wanted to ride a bike to get my motorcycle endorsements was about 4 days. From the time I decided I wanted to ride a bike to getting my first motorcycle was about a week and a half. So it's a quick process if you get on it and you do it. Say it again, me being brand new to riding a motorcycle, right after I took the class, it's a basic course. So was I ready to get on the motorcycle right after the class or ride on the roads with a motorcycle? No, I wasn't. But after I rode my motorcycle on the side roads for 3 or 4 weekends, I felt comfortable with getting on the road. motorcycle was a Harley Sportster 883. Is it the right bike for somebody brand new? I don't know. I mean, it seemed to be all right for me. It seemed to do the job. So I guess it was. But that's probably different for everybody too. So that's it for this video. It was just a quick video telling you how I started. And how I got started riding a bike and everything like that. So I'm gonna pull in here and take off my camera and my microphone, and I'm gonna put my earbuds on and ride back home. I'm just leaving work, so all right, that's it.